all you cool cats and kittens. It's Mrs. Sailor. Are you ready to take another reading adventure? Today, we're going to go on a grammar adventure. Let's go. Today, we're going to learn about adjectives. Can you say adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Let's take a look. Here we have a person. We can describe this person using the word big. He is a big person. Next, we have some hay. We can describe the word hay using the word round. The hay is round. When you're brainstorming adjectives to describe something, you can think about your 5 senses. Our 5 senses are sight, hear, smell, taste, and touch. We can think about how something tastes. For example, here I see a donut. The donut is sweet. Next, I have a lemon. The lemon tastes sour. So our adjectives are sweet and sour. We can think about how something looks. Here I have a princess. She is fancy. Here's Frankenstein. We can describe him using the word scary. So our adjectives are fancy and scary. We can think about what something sounds like. Here we have a megaphone. The megaphone is very loud. This smiley face is very quiet. So our adjectives are loud and quiet. We can think about what something feels like. Here we have a cat. That cat looks soft. Next, we have some rocks. The rocks are rough. So our adjectives here are soft and rough. We can think about what something smells like. Here we have some trash. Whew, it's stinky. Next, we have some flowers. They smell fresh. So our adjectives are stinky and fresh. Remember, you can think about your 5 senses when brainstorming adjectives. You can also think about what color something is. For example, red, orange, green, yellow, purple, and blue are all examples of adjectives. You can also think about how many you see or have. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are all examples of adjectives. Okay, boys and girls, you have done a great job learning about adjectives today. Remember, they are words that describe nouns. I'll see you next week.